All right, let's begin our math. So you should have this page. This is what your page should look like. You should have this out and write your name on it. I believe all you need is your pencil. But we're going to talk about, I'm going to do some like word problems with you, okay? So I'm going to look at my, see if you can see that. See my, right here, my cubes, connecting cubes. If we were in class, everybody'd have their own set and we'd talk about stuff. So we're going to pretend cheddar, remember cheddar? Cheddar ate 2 cubes. We're going to pretend this is cheese. 2 cubes of cheese. We have 1, 2. So he was hungry and he went back and got another cube. So we have 2 and 1. Okay. So he had 2 cubes of cheese. He came back and got to eat another one. So we're going to add them together. How many cubes of cheese did cheddar eat? We have 1, 2, 3. So what we're doing is adding 2 plus 1 equals 3. Okay? Another little word problem I'm going to give you. There were 3 bears. Okay? 3 bears. And they were all eating some honey by a tree. Okay. 1 bear joined them. How many bears were eating honey by the tree? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bears. So what we're doing is adding 3 plus 1 equals 4. Okay? So it's just a couple little word problem things we practiced. All right, so now let's get ready to do, you've been doing your addition pretty much all last week, I believe, with Mrs. Geary. So you should be, this is pretty easy. You're just adding and counting everything together. So let's first write our name on your paper. Write your name up here on your paper. And we're going to look at our cue that says complete each addition sentence. So they want to know 2 plus 1 equals how many? 1, 2, 3, because you're connecting them together. So you're going to trace your 2. 2 plus 1 equals, and you should write the number. You can see that's good on here. 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Okay. Let's go down to the next one. How many cubes are on here? 1, 2, 3. And they have the number there. So trace your number 3. We have 3 cubes there. How many cubes in the next one? How many are you adding? 1, 2. There they have the number 2 there. So trace it. So if you put all the cubes together, over here they have them all put together. Let's count how many is 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to write the number 5 here. So hopefully you understand this. We have 3 plus 2 equals 5. You're not counting all these across. What they do, they have your 3 here, they have your 2 here, and they put them all together for the last answer. So you're only counting what's above here for your answer. Okay? Do you see you have 1, 2, 3? So you have 3 here plus 2. Do you see all that? All right. I'm going to let you do this one by yourself. I'll write the answers and we'll see if you're right. So go ahead and do this next one by yourself. And I'll write the answers down. And let's see if you get it right. All right, you should have 1 plus 1 equals 2. See, the 1, 2. We're adding the 2 together. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? I'm going to read you the directions here for this part. It says, draw squares to picture the addition sentence. So what number is here? 2. So above here, you are going to draw 2 squares. Let me draw them on here so you can see what to do. Okay. All right, there you go. Give me 2 squares above the number 2. What are you going to draw above this number 2? 2 more squares. So draw me 2 squares above this number 2. So they want to know what 2 plus 2 equals what? 4. So how many squares are you going to draw above the 4? 4 squares. You should be drawing me 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should have 4 squares drawn over here. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, that's what you should have done on there. All right, turn your page over. On the top here it says complete each addition sentence. Once again, you're going to count. They don't have the numbers written for you, but you're going to count the cubes. So let's count how many cubes are on here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So what number are you going to write here? 4. So write the number 4. So we have 4. We can see this. 4 plus what? How many cubes do we have here? 1. So you're going to write the number 1. So 4 plus 1 equals, how many cubes are here? Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what number are you going to write here? 5. So write the number 5. So we have 4 plus 1 equals 5. All right, I'm going to let you do this one again by yourself. I'll write the answers down and let's see if you can do it. So try it by yourself. It's easy. You should be able to do it just like on the other side. Let's see if you are right with your answers. Should be. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. So we have 1 plus 1 equals how many? 2. So you should have 1 plus 1 equals 2. Once again on here, I believe we have to draw squares. It says draw squares to picture the addition sentence. So what number do we have here? 2. So above the 2, you're going to draw me 2 squares. Okay. So we have 2, my 2 squares there, plus, what's this number? 3. So you're going to draw 3 squares above the 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 squares. So 2 plus 3 equals what? 5. So how many squares are we going to draw above here? 5. So draw me 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares above number 5. All right, that's pretty easy, huh? All right, down here it says time to review with Cheddar. So it says draw more beans to make the correct number. So you're going to have to draw some little beans. You can kind of make like ovals. Okay, so we'll do this together. What number is this here? We have 11. So let's count how many beans are here. And if you need to draw a little line as you count, do that to help you keep track. So let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, And I need how many? 11. So over here, to make it 11, we got to draw one more bean. So try to draw as best as you can. Draw a bean. There's my bean. It's not very good, but so we should have 11 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Let's go down to the next one. Let me tilt this a little bit so you can see it a little better. We have, what number is this here? 13. So once again, let's count. Draw little lines to help you keep track. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need to get to 13, so we have 10. So you're going to draw 11, 12, 13. So we have 11, 12, 13, because we already had 10 here. Let's count from the beginning now just to make sure. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you just need to draw them. You don't have to color them. I kind of made mine go up a little bit. Whoops. All right, let's look at the last number we have here. What number is this? Anybody remember what number? We've been doing our teens here for a while. 15. 15. So draw my lines again to count my beans. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we're going to start over here with 11 drawing. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can see how I did that there. So let's count from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I kind of ran out of room here, so I got to lower him down there. So you should have a total of 15 beans. Okay, hopefully you all understood that. Tomorrow we'll do another worksheet on addition and math. Next, get your Bible out. I have my Bible. We're going to talk about David and Jonathan. Remember, I talked to you a little bit about David and Jonathan, but that's who we're learning about this week. So get out your Bible worksheet for David and Jonathan. We're going to do actually both sides of the page. So get your first page out there, and I'll read you the story about David and Jonathan. See you in a bit.